and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan. I'm the creator of Skullhead Gardening, Cooking, and DIY. Today I'm going to be making a honey mustard. I need some, we're having some chicken strips and I like to have a little honey mustard when I eat my chicken strips, so I make my own. Two very easy ingredients. What you need is you need honey and you need mustard. And it's your choice whether you want yellow mustard or Dijon mustard. I personally like Dijon mustard, so that's what I'm going to use today. So let's get started.
So I ran into a bit of a problem and my honey has crystallized itself. So if this ever happens to you, all you need to do is put your jar in a pot of warm water, put it on the stove on low, and then slowly bring it back to a liquid form. Now sometimes it takes a little bit of time, but just be patient and it will go back to a liquid form again. And it'll stay like that again for quite some time. So now that we have our honey back into a liquid form, we can move on to making our dip. So let's get started with that. Okay, so I'm putting 2 tablespoons of mustard in my bowl. Again, it's your choice whether or not you want yellow mustard or Dijon mustard. I'm using Dijon here. Now you're going to add a cup of honey. So I like to support my local farmer, so I get my honey from a farm that is close to me. Now you're going to mix that up really well and incorporate it so that you don't see any more of the mustard. Now you can do a variation of this as well by changing out the different types of mustards that you can use. You could use a hot mustard as well and really spice things up. So now you're just going to bottle it up, and you can store it in the fridge, which is probably the best thing to do because it will thicken it up a little bit. And it's great not just as a dipping sauce, but it's great in wraps as well. So give it a try.
And that's how easy it is to make a honey mustard. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Until next time, bye-bye for now.